a golden glow upon the breeze. In quiet air the world grows still, and soft new magic starts to fill. She feels a shimmer in the air, a presence moving everywhere. The nature spirits come alive, and sunsets glow, they gently thrive. They rise in light where twilight plays, they guide her through the fading haze. She feels their touch in quiet grace, a sacred calm within this place. They swirl in colors faint and bright, their forms revealed by evening light. They whisper truths in subtle tones, a wisdom older than the stone. She learns to trust what eyes can't see, the soft escape from gravity, a sense that life is held and known by forces dancing near the throne. They rise in light where twilight plays, they guide her through the fading haze. She feels their touch in quiet grace, a sacred calm within this place. In every breeze, a message lives. In every leaf, the spirit gives a hint of wonder, soft and near, a call to trust, release the fear. They rise in light where twilight plays, they guide her through the fading haze. She feels their touch in quiet grace, a sacred calm within. They rise as magic revealed.